Yeah, follow me to the end to see how I steam this meat to the end. After watching this video, try your own like this and you will thank me. If you have tried it before, also drop on comment section if this is method you are using to steam your meat. Okay, now I'm washing my meat. If you watch, I use salt from the beginning to wash this meat to avoid hard know or dirty fly and everything within the meat. Now after washing the meat, I'm putting it in my pot. All right, now after putting it, I put my thyme. Will be say all of na know. Come put this spice, all of na too where they use steam meat. All right, if you want the name, ask me. I will take on comment section. I can't put my maggi, only single one. I no put plenty. I can't add my dry pepper. All right, can't add my pinch of salt. Can't add my onions. Okay, as I add it, I cover the pot. If you watch, as I cover the pot, now I don't done. I can't turn them. I no put water. So if you watch very well, I no put water from the beginning. Now as the meat don't done suck the whole water wey im produce by himself. Now I can't dey add a little water. Do you understand? If you do this, you will thank me and be proud of yourself. If you find the video helpful, please help me share this video and also drop your comment on the comment section and do well to follow if this is your first time to see this platform. Thank you for watching.